Now that our controller VM is running, the next step is to connect to it using SSH. We'll use the Azure admin user and the public IP address of the virtual machine. The first time you connect, you'll be asked to verify the host's authenticity. Type yes and enter the admin password you provided during the Terraform apply step. Once logged in, the first thing we should do is verify that the Cloud Init process has completed successfully. This process handles the initial setup and configuration of the VM. We can see here the status is done, which means our initial setup scripts have finished without any errors. Next, we need to prepare the installation files. We'll switch to the root user to ensure we have the necessary permissions. The deployment process automatically places the installation files in the PAM on Cloud BYOI directory. Inside, we can see the PAM self-hosted on Azure zip file that we need to extract. We'll now unzip the package to extract the Packer and Terraform scripts needed to build our Vault image. After unzipping, you can see several new directories, including Packer scripts. The most important step now is to review the keys README file. This file contains the instructions for the next critical step, inserting your license.xml and recpub.key files, which are required to create a secure, licensed Vault image for your environment.